I've told you the story of how we met with President Ruto. God told us to go to do a crusade in Kenya. We didn't have the money. We didn't have anything. He said Kenya. So we took out our equipment. We were doing 49 crusades. And the Lord said, go to Kenya. When you arrived, what we had was ICC situations. And then I challenged the church. I said, how could you allow this? You know, we need to make the whole story short. We finished the crusade on Sunday at around midnight. I'm invited to go. I mean, it was one of our large crusades. And we have ever, what do you put the thing over there? You man. What's wrong with you? So it was one of our large crusades at Uhuru Park in Kenya. I preached very strong. Deputy President heard about it, and his wife, they invited us to go pray for them because it was Sunday night. The following day, early morning, they were heading for Hague in ICC. People don't go to ICC and they come out. While we were there, the Lord gave me a word. We prayed all 6 hours. Remember, I've been busy all day, but we prayed for 6 hours. And we prayed until morning, until 6. And I said, guys, I have to fly back to Uganda. But this is what the Lord said. Check out your lawyers. The problem is your lawyers. If you do that, God will be with you. I gave him a little offering. I left. People of God, God gave them the victory. Now the First Lady, she was here testifying. She came here. Before they became leaders of president. They came here. Now, yeah, that's when she came with her daughter now. Here to give thanks. When we were in 77 days of glory. That is First Lady, Mrs. Ruto now. People of God, you're gonna achieve things in the call of God upon your life. The devil is attacking the call of God upon your life. You are stronger there. You are favorable there. You are greater there. You are stronger there. Now our friends, they're the president of Kenya. And during inauguration, we were there after the inauguration. We went to State House, we prayed for them. I don't know whether you have the picture, you know. So, people of God, what I'm trying to say is this. The Lord will take you anywhere, not just because of your education, because just in case you don't have it, not because of your beauty, just because you don't have it, just in case you don't have it, not because of your money, just in case you don't have it, but the call of God upon your life is about to open door when no one can open. It will open door which no one can shut. What is that picture, man? Anyway, forget about those people. You tell them to do something. You may be seated. Uganda. I mean, oh, that's why we're at State House on the day of inauguration. You don't go there, in the middle there. It's just because of the call of God. It's just the call of God. It's just the call of God. Now, here in I'll finish with Uganda.